Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a very simple dashboard. Okay, where we are showing where we have considered and we have used the calling data where you guys can see on my screen. Here total number of a call that we received and how many calls that we handled, how many calls got abandoned, okay, and what was the total time taken for these particular calls which were being handled by the agents, right? And here you guys can see day on day allocation versus handle performance. I'm showing here, you guys can see total calls that we received 13.8k, and only we were able to handle the call 12.4k, right? On a daily, I'm showing at overall level, okay, I'm not showing any deep dive things, right? At edge agent level, at lob level, I'm not showing anything. Here I am just showing day on day things. Here I have given only the one filter at manager level. If you guys have more, then you guys can give it, right? For example, you guys can look at on this, this cluster column chart, stack column chart. So here you guys can see on 1st of May 2024, 12 at 1st of May 2024 we got 13.8k call, and out of that we only were able to handle 12.4k calls, right? So month on month trend you guys can see, and the way that we created this chart, and it actually reflecting it actually it actually is making some sense, if somebody will look at this chart, and they easily will be able to understand it, right? So month on month that we guys can have an idea on it, right? So on the bottom side I can show you at manager level that you guys can see this is something which is uniquely that I have created this chart. You guys can see between the gaps between two lines, wherever we have a gaps between two lines, the green one is the offered call, and what was the handled. We handled this one, and we off and calls were offered this one. So this is 14.8k calls that only Akash team received, and out of that 30.59k only were able to handle, right? Otherwise rest got abandoned, got not able to pick up, right? Whatever can be the reason, I'm not going on that part. So at this manager wise trend and allocation versus handle and abandoned, right? Here you guys can see. So at Akash, just I'm just looking at only at Akash. So total 14.8k call, offered, 35.9k only we were able to handle, and out of that 5.3k call got abandoned, right? So this is something where I'm showing deep dive, you know, deep dive calling, the calls that which were allocated, right? So here, let's create it from the scratch. If I will select Akash, so I will be able to see the Akash performance only, right? If I will click the Amit, so I will be able to see the Amit performance here. This is the trend only of Amit, right? So here you guys can see this slicer also is very attractive. How we created it, we will learn in this video. Okay. So I also will attach this file in the description box. From there, you guys can download it for your practice. And apart from that, I have already given my WhatsApp group. If you want to join my group, where you guys can have a latest updates, in regards to the coming batches, or in regards to the data analytics. If you have any question, you want to know anything, you guys can put your query in that group as well, right? So let's do it. So this is the raw data I have. Now let's create it. Okay, this is the dashboard we need to create. Okay, I am hiding it sheet 2, right? And in sheet 4 I'm writing a dashboard 1, removing the grid line, going in the insert and taking one shape. In next 10 to 15 minutes only we will be able to create this dashboard. We will not take so much time, right? And I would like to have for example, I would like to have this one. No, 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 no. Let's have the green. Okay. And shape effect, let's give the shape effect this one, and let's write something. BPO dashboard contact center performance. Okay. Let's make it little bigger. Okay, let's go in the insert. Let's have some picture here. Let's get some more icons. Your system should be connected with the internet, then you will be able to get the icons, right? So I am writing here calls icon, simple. I'm having this one, this and this. All right. Now let's adjust it. We have to adjust it. Okay. Now I'm just taking I have to resize it, both the icons first. Let's resize it. Here I'm giving, and here here it will seems better. Okay. And this one, let's resize it. I will not skip even 1 minute, right? From the sketch we will learn it. Simple. Okay. Now what next you need to do is you just need to copy this and paste it here. And after pasting, remove it. Okay. And let's make the rectangular size. Okay. And let's change the color. We have to change the color. This one. Okay. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy and paste. For for what now? For slicer. Simple. And we have to change the color as dark gray. This one is also dark gray. Okay. All right. Okay. Now come here and go in the shape format. Take text box. Right here, what do you want to show? I want to show total call allocated. Okay. First, make it in the center, bold, and remove the background color. I don't want to have. I even don't want to have the outline as no outline. Okay. Now just copy this text, copy and paste. And what next I would like to show here total call handled. Total call handled. Okay, and now again copy it and paste it here and show how many calls we abandoned, right? How many calls got abandoned? Total calls. Now copy it, copy and paste. Total, what is the total time taken? Total handle time, right? That's what we have done. What next we need to do? Here we have a data. We will decide that. Okay. Now let's have some icon. Come here and get some icon from here. Total calls allocated. Offered call icons. Okay. I usually randomly I search it like this. So we can have this one. This icon is same best. Let's make it little small. Let's make it little small. We have to let's resize it. Make little small like this. We have this one and little more small. Adjust it somewhere, right? Come and take the shape and adjust it somewhere like this, and we have to group it as well. We have to group it as well. Right click, group, and group. Simple. And after that, what you need to do is again just take one shape, total call handle, right? This is something that you guys can do it by yourself as well, but I'm just showing you step by step what all I have followed, right? And handle call. I also can have, otherwise it will be taking much time. Let's take copy it, copy this icon and come here and paste it. And it is not visible. Go in picture format, color, take this one, right? Total calls handled. After that, total calls abandoned. I think this will be best here, and this one I think I should put it here. Okay. Now picture format, color, in color you can have this one. And total time taken, in total time taken you can just copy this, come here and paste it. Simple. And picture format, go in the picture format, take color as black or as this one. Okay. Now what next we need to do? Now let's make the chart. Alt NVT. Let's create one pivot table. Drag this, timestamp in the row. Total calls offered. We would not be complete this action pivot table in the sheet 2 because the already pivot where it is. Let's delete it again. Now let's again create the chart. Oh, sorry, one pivot table. Drag this timestamp in the row. It's okay. And after that, what you need to do is, why am I having this one? Because I have, oh, this is the reason. You see, that is something where we having some connectivity actually, right? So what we can do is we can directly come here and hide it. Alt NBT in existing sheet, come here, drag it. Timestamp you need to drag in rows. It's okay. We have to go in pivot table analyze. Here you will be having filter connection. Come here, caption. I don't want to have any connection here. I really want to remove it. I don't want to have it. So select filter to connect to this pivot table now. Come and design here. I have this filter action, right? I don't want to have it. So I can come and I can remove it. Let's connect. Timestamp I have put it. Call offered. It's okay. Call handled. Right. After that, first of all, control 1. Come go in the custom and select here hash comma hash k to convert in the thousands. Right. Go in insert. Take any one cluster column chart. Okay. Cut it. Come here and paste it. Okay. And after that we have to design it. But before doing that, let's make the little color change here. It seems so dull, so let's have it. No worries. Okay, where is that? Copy and paste. All right, now go a little down, drag it till here, and this one also. After that, what you need to right click on it, hide all filled buttons. First step, remove your legends. Sorry, remove it on the bottom side. Okay, and remove the grid line. Remove it. Right click on it. First, right click on it. On the chart, right click. Go in format plot area. Here, click on the columns. Come here. Gap width you need to decrease little this one, and here you have to make it as 0. Okay, as 0. So no, let's do it. Okay, so here sum of handle call is showing in the orange part, and sum of a calls offered is showing in blue one, right? So we have to change the color of orange as a dark green, solid filled as a dark green. So this one, okay, and the above one we need to show in little, light dark. I mean green, but little light. This one, okay. So now it seems good. That's what we have done, right? Remove it, data label, make it the first in the center, and make it white, and we have to make it little in 90 degrees. We have to adjust. So here you have to go, come here vertically. It is vertically 270 degree, right? 270 degree seems good. Now what next you need to do is you will have to click here and add the chart title. In the chart title you have to write here day on day, day on day allocation versus handle performance, right? You can write, and decrease the size of it. Simple. Now it seems good. Sorry. All right. So it seems good. We have not done so many things here so far, but yes. Now let's assign some value in this card. So how we can do that? Go in sheet 6, just copy it and come here and paste it. What all we want to show here first? Right click, show field, remove everything first. I don't want to show anything. I want to show only call offered, in value calls handled, calls abandoned, and total time talk. So here I have to divide this total time talk by 3600. Okay, come in pivot table, analyze, go here, calculate field, right here handle time. Here you have to divide this total talk time by 3600. Simple. Okay, and okay. And now what you have to do, you have to come here, control 1, you have to change the formatting of it. So come little down, this one. Okay, simple. This is the total time taken to handle this much call, right? So we have to convert it into the thousand as well, right? In thousand, and we have to give the reference to H4. H4. Simple, right? We have done it. Go to the dashboard here. Take one, click on the shape. Go in shape format. Tick text box. Drag it till like this. Equal to total call allocated. In sheet 6, this is the total call allocated. I have not given any filter so far, guys. Okay, so we will do that. Now we have to remove the background color. No background color, no outline. Okay, and I want to have font color as white, and I want to increase the size of it. Bold, little bold. Okay, copy it, come here and paste it. Increase the size of it. Increase the size of it. Okay, come here. Now you have to also increase the size of it. Increase the width of it, and in H, instead of H, put here. Now let's give the direct reference equal to sheet 6 total call handle. This is the total call handle. Okay, white, increase the size, bold, this one. Okay, copy it and paste it. Total call abundant, right? Total call abundant. So equal to sheet 6. This is the total call abundant. Something is wrong. I have to check. Something is wrong. I have to check. That I will do. Don't worry. Okay. And after that total time taken, copy and come here and paste it. This is something which will be correct. Equal to direct reference from sheet 6. This is the alright. increase it. Great. Come here in sheet 6. Here some we have some issue. H4, I4. Total sum of total call 250, I4. Okay. I have, I think, in the manual. Okay, that is a problem. So this is not in the thousand. This is something I have to give in the numbers like this. Control 1, come here. You have to come little down. This is the actual time we have, right? Now you see, that's what we are getting. Decrease the size of it. Okay. This is the total time taken, right, to handle the calls. Simple. I hope it is making sense to you, and we will do more. Let's create one slicer first, right? So it will make more sense. Go in the slicer, in design, in table, pivot table analyze, in insert slicer, insert on the manager name. Okay, cut it simply, go in the dashboard, come here, paste it. After that, what you have to do in slicer, you have to design your own slicer. New slicer style, come here, whole slicer how you would like to represent. So I would like to represent as a dog, this one. Okay, and okay first. And after that, header is also I would like to show only font as a white. Simple. Everything I would like to have a same. Selected item with the data I would like to show in the light, and the light, light, and font color I would like to have as dark black, and okay. And unselected item with the data I would like to have as fill, dark, and font as white. Okay, and okay. Now let's take it this one. It seems quite good. If I will select this one, so you will be able to see this is something which is getting changed. But yeah, it is something which is completely synced with all the pivot table. If I would right click on the slicer, you will be able to see the board connection. All the pivots got connected automatically, right? So I don't need to do anything more than that, right? So 6 Monica, if I will select on Akash, so this much call, 40.8k call that I have got. Out of that, 35.9k got 9k call got handled, 5.3k call got abandoned, and this was time taken to handle this much call, right? This is something the performance I can show. Now two more charts we need to create. What two charts at manager level, right? Come here. These two charts I'm talking about. I'm talking about these two charts. These two charts, right? Come here and just copy it. First copy it, come and paste it. After pasting, remove the timestamp, select the manager name. And total calls offered, total calls handled. Simple. Alright, simple we have done. Go in insert, take the one line chart. This line chart. Right, cut it, come here and paste it here. Right click, hide all field buttons, and make this legend on the bottom side, on bottom, and ups and down. This is the bar I was talking about, right? And if I would fill it by red, by green, you see it will seems little good. I right click on this format data series, I can remove it. And next on the line, what I can have a smooth line first, right? And I can have this solid as dark green, this one, not yeah, dark green. And marker I would like to have as well, little big. Solid fill in the solid fill I would like to have a color as maroon color, right? And width of the line I would like to decrease, so little decrease. Okay, and this is the column. In the column I would like to show it as very light of green, not this much, but yes, this much. Okay, and here I would like to have here as solid line, but as blue one, this one. and decrease the size of it, size of the line. Okay, and I would like to have also marker. In the marker I would like to increase it and would like to have a solid color as maroon. Okay, and I can remove it. I don't want to have this line as well. I would like to bold it. I would like to bold it. Okay, and I would like to have a data labels. Data labels is seems good. Okay, and now I can have a data chart title as well to represent, right? So here at manager level, sorry, here allocation versus handle at manager level. Simple. That's what I have done, and I can reduce the size of it. Simple. This is a simple way to creating this particular dashboard. You see how perfectly actually it is looking. You see, I can have this much. You see, if I'm selecting Akash, I am having everything. See, I can select two people as well at a one go. See, this is something which is the performance of it. So amazing thing that you guys can do it by in a simple way. One more chart we need to create, not the last, but one more chart we need to create. Copy it and paste it. Here you have to show three things. What three things? Call abandoned as well. Call abandoned also you need to show. So simply go, okay, in the insert, take any line chart. This line chart here, total offered call is showing in the blue. Handle is this. Okay, perfect. Come here, go little down, come here and simply adjust it. Alignment should be completely okay. Okay, simple. Hide all the buttons first. Right click and hide all the filled buttons, and just remove and move your legend on the bottom size. Okay, on the bottom side remove these lines as well, this one as well. And now I would like to have these lines perfectly. How I can do that? I simply go here. I can simply go here, click on the line, come here and make it smooth first. Smooth, and reduce the size of it and take it as hard, I mean dark blue. And marker we can have, we already have. Let's make it little, yep, this one. And let's make this line as a smooth also. Smooth, and decrease the width of the line. I can have a marker solid, and same for this one. Go in the line, take it as a smooth line, make it as a smooth line, right? Reduce the size of it and make this line color as as this one, this maroon color. And marker I would like to have as not a green, not a maroon, but as a green. And data label I would like to have as, sorry, and make it on the blow. We have to keep it on the blow. Yep, so that it could be visible. Make it dark. Sorry, make it bold. Start title also you guys can insert. You guys can write here. Allocation versus handle and append at manager level. You can reduce the size of it, make it bold. Now you guys can have a beautiful view of it, right? If you are clicking on Akash, you are having all the performance of the Akash. You can double click and you can select more than one manager as well, like this. So you can have a very good view. So perfectly we are able to show, right, what was the call that we call offered, what was the call that was handled, what was the call that were abandoned, right? So everything you guys can have at a one view. right? So I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice, guys. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video.